It is sulfate free, it is silicone free, it is vegan, and it is cruelty free. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Brandy and you're watching the Glam Belle, and today I am doing a curly hairline review that I am so excited for because this is an affordable curly hair care line. There's so many hair care lines out there for curly hair now. It's like very overwhelming, but many of them are higher end brands, and that's fine for some people. For many of us, we would like an affordable curly hair care line that is sulfate and silicone free, that is vegan, that provides all of the goodness that we need for our curls, that will moisturize, that will give us the hold, that will give us the definition. Can I get an amen? So today, I'm testing out the HASK curly hair collection. HASK has been around for a hot minute, y'all, but they are just coming out, just launching their curly hair collection, and they sent over all of their products for me to test out and try on my curly hair. So I'm gonna walk you through my wash day, what it looked like, and of course give you my real deal opinion on these products. Now, this video is sponsored, but these thoughts and opinions, as always, are my own. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, you know the drill. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button down there. Make sure to turn on the bell so that you're notified when I upload videos here on YouTube. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump on into this HASK curly hair collection. When I initially started researching this curly hair care line, I was so excited to find out that it is sulfate free, it is silicone free, it is vegan, and it is cruelty free. The best part, are you listening? It's affordable and it's at Walmart. Their cleanser and conditioners sell for $5.99 and their stylers sell for $7.99. So this is a line that pretty much everyone can afford, and I love that. HASK has actually been used on more TV shows in Hollywood than any other hair care brand out there. It's actually been one of Hollywood's best kept secrets. I didn't know that. So I do think it's really cool that this is a product line that is endorsed by some of the best hair artists out there. And another plus for me is that all of their packaging is made from post-consumer recycled material, so nothing is going to waste. So let me go ahead and break down the 7 products that are in this new curly hair collection so that you can get a feel for exactly what they're offering.
The HASK Curl Care Collection is formulated with coconut oil, argan oil, and vitamin E to help maintain and protect curls. In this collection, we have the moisturizing shampoo, which is formulated to hydrate and protect curls. And then we have the detangling conditioner. This provides instant slip to easily detangle your curls. Next up, we have the intensive deep conditioner. This helps to add strength, softness, and shine to help quench and restore your curls. Next up, we have their 5-in-1 leave-in spray. This is a detangling spray to help prevent breakage and gives frizz control and has a thermal protectant in it. We have their curl defining cream. This is a lightweight, humidity proof formula that helps to enhance your natural curl pattern and leaves them feeling soft and defined. Their curl shaping jelly. This is a flexible, non-sticky formula that helps to sculpt your waves and curls and does not leave them stiff or crunchy. And last, we have their curl enhancing mousse, and this gives curls body and bounce, and it's a very non-drying formula to help give definition, and it's a crunch-free finish.
So this line contains pretty much everything you need, from your shampoo, your cleansers, your deep conditioning treatments, as well as all the stylers that you would need, a mousse, a gel, a cream. They've got it all. Let's go ahead and jump on into my wash day, and I'm gonna show you the products that I used and give you my thoughts and opinions on them. All right, so I just finished washing my hair, and I went in with the HASK Curl Care moisturizing shampoo, and then I went in with the detangling conditioner. It's not often that I really talk about shampoo and conditioners because I feel like there is a lot on the market that work really well, but y'all, I had to stop and tell you guys in this video that these are incredible. For $5.99, these work just as good as any of my high-end shampoo and conditioners. The moisturizing shampoo literally is what it says it is. It's extremely moisturizing. I felt like my hair was very, very clean, but it definitely was not stripping whatsoever. I almost felt like I could kind of finger detangle my hair even with the shampoo. I also love the scent of these. It's very light. It's very light and fresh, not overpowering at all. If you're not a person that likes scents, then I still think that you would really like this. And then I went in with the detangling conditioner. This has amazing slip. I was gonna try out their intensive deep conditioner, but I didn't feel like I needed it after this conditioner. So I'm really excited to go in with this my next wash day and see how this works. I mean, these are awesome, and silicone and sulfate free, just amazing. So happy with these. Now I'm gonna go ahead and style my hair.
For styling today, I went ahead and went in with their 5-in-1 detangling spray. It smells so good. I just love the smell of all of the products. They all have the same exact scent. It detangled my hair so seamlessly. It was perfect. I loved it. I love that it has thermal protectant in it. You guys know I'm all about my thermal hair care protectant. Since I'm currently obsessed with mousse, I went ahead and went in with their curl enhancing mousse. It's a very light, airy formula. I don't know how to describe it other than very, very airy. So I was going to use this alone, but I decided to go ahead and use their jelly formula as well. But I went ahead and put this all throughout my hair. I felt like this was going to be a good base product for volume. And then I went in with their, this is their curl shaping jelly. And it is a gel formula to give hold, but it's very light. It's not sticky. It's not a thick formula at all. It's a very thin kind of consistency. Easy to kind of rake through your hair or to scrunch in, which I kind of did both. And then of course you guys know I always go in with my hair repair towel to scrunch. And this is what my results were looking like with my hair wet. Very shiny, very moisturized. I was loving what it was looking like wet. And then here's what it looks like dry. And all I did was go in with my diffuser. I didn't plop. I didn't define anything with a defining brush. I literally just scrunched the products in and then diffused my hair. And this was the final result. I can't wait to see what you guys think of this.
That was my entire wash day lineup, and these are actually my second day results from using that line. I did not have to refresh at all, you guys. So this is like fresh next day hair right out of my satin bonnet, and I am so impressed. So this line definitely gave me the definition that I really love. It definitely moisturized my curls. My hair feels extremely soft, but not weighed down. Sometimes products that are too moisturizing can weigh my hair down, and all of these products felt very light. So if you do have similar hair to mine where it's thin, low density, you don't have a ton of hair, you don't want products that are weighing your hair down, this is definitely a line that I would highly recommend. The mousse was very light. I definitely want to give it a try on its own and see how it does on its own, but I was a little bit concerned that it wasn't going to give me enough hold, because it was almost like it just kind of almost disappeared into my hands and my hair as soon as I started applying it. That was more of like a great base product to give you a little extra moisture and to really give you extra volume, but I did feel like I needed to go in with a little bit of that jelly, and the jelly was very light as well. It was not sticky at all. I don't like when gels are super duper sticky, especially since my hair is on the thinner side. I feel like sometimes when gels are too sticky or too thick, that it almost kind of pulls at my hair, and I don't like that feeling. I really loved the consistency of it. The smell of the products is divine. I love it. I do feel like it's a light scent, so if you're not into fragranced products, I don't feel like this is an overpowering scent, but it's definitely there. Like you can smell it, and it's like the same fragrance throughout the entire line. And I will say, even second day, like my hair has this nice fresh scent. And my husband last night after I washed my hair, he came and he gave me a hug and he was like, oh my gosh, your hair smells so good. And he doesn't like super strong fragrances either, so that was a good sign. So overall, I do feel like the products that I used gave my curls exactly what they needed. I can't wait to try the defining cream and the jelly, that combination. Super excited about that. But overall, I'm telling you what, this line did amazing, y'all. And for $5.99 and $7.99 price point, I feel like you cannot beat it. You can't beat it. Hopefully everyone will be able to find these products in one of their local stores. I'm really excited to see what you guys think about this product line. If you have any questions about the products that I use, definitely leave them in the comments. If you've ever used the HASK hair care line, let me know. Let me know what products you've used in the past. I also did want to mention that HASK is doing a giveaway on their page. I'll have the link in the description box, but click the link and you can enter to win a PR package with $100 worth of products. You'll get a full-size product of all of the new products in the curly hair collection, so definitely make sure to enter that. Yeah, I think that is it for this video. I'm so excited about this line, you guys. I think that is it. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.